We are staying at the Aloft in Myeongdong. Come along for a tour of the room.
When you first walk in, you need to pop your card in the slot so you can power up the room. Hey guys! There's a full-length mirror, so you can use that when you get ready in the morning before you go out for a day of fun. This is the main room. We got a standard king room, and this bed is very comfortable, has a lot of pillows. It's pretty warm at night. We've been sleeping fairly well. And you have a pretty good sized TV. It does have a few Western options. You have a little workspace in case you need to get some work done. And there's 2 USB plugins and a few outlets. And there's a space for your luggage and a luggage rack. You also have a nice sitting area in case you want to relax and watch TV, or you can get a nice view of the city. Over by the bed, you have 2 USB plugins on each side and a few outlets. There's a fridge where they provide you with 2 complimentary waters every day. And you have a kettle to heat up water in case you want to make tea, coffee, or a cup of noodles. They give you 2 cups and some complimentary tea, coffee, and some sugar. There's a closet with some space to put your clothes and a few hangers to hang up things. And 2 fluffy white robes, an iron and ironing board. There's a safe in case you want to store some of your personal items. And you have a couple pairs of slippers to lounge around in the room. And inside the bathroom, you have a nice clean shower and has plenty of hot water and dry bar products. Let me tell you, my hair's been so soft for the past couple of days. And over at the sink, you have some amenities like a dental kit, cleansing kit, lotion, some soap. And my favorite part is the high-tech toilet. You have so many different options. And the best part is you have a heated seat so you can keep your butt warm while you're doing your business in the morning.
The Aloft also has a gym that has cardio equipment, some free weights, and an area where you can stretch.
The hotel also has a laundry facility that has 2 dryers and 2 washing machines. You can also purchase laundry detergent. The Aloft is conveniently located a short walk away from Myeongdong Station. There are also a lot of restaurants, coffee shops, and dessert places and shopping nearby. And there's some places where you can exchange your currency. I hope you enjoyed a quick peek of the room.